Shaun Evans from San Diego, California, built and flew this yellow aircraft A-4 Skyhawk. The jet is powered by the OS Max 91 motor and a Dynamax fan unit. This kit is available with two types of wings, the scale wing for the advanced pilot and the sport wing for the intermediate pilot. Shaun tells us that his A-4 weighs in at about 15 pounds. It's heavier than the average A-4, but that's because of repairs done to the aircraft. We talked with Shaun just after his flight about his aircraft.
I'm Shaun Evans, and I'm from San Diego.